unbelievable. You guys really outdid yourself with this one. Oh my God. That is absolutely...
What do you think of the headliner?
I think the headliner is incredible. Is it pretty self-explanatory, or?
It is. So you have a you can control it with an app on your phone, which I can get you set up on if that's something you like. Some people don't like it; they'd rather use it remote. The app is super easy because you can download it, and as long as the lights are on and you're in the car, it'll just automatically connect Bluetooth. It's not like you have to do anything special. So then you can control it all from there. But basically, the only trick is that the shooting stars are the small white one, and then this is the rest of them because they are two separate systems.
All right.
But yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can just play with everything on here. So if you want all blue, there it is. All red. It's super easy.
And then you get multicolor if you want.
Yeah, you can do. I mean, there's some.
Well, I'll probably be in the car all night long playing with it tonight. And
yeah, it's self-explanatory. Like you have the different modes here where it'll fade between colors, so you have two different options. It'll like kind of bounce between colors, and then you have your music button at the bottom.
And that'll go with the stereo?
Yeah, and I played around with it. It's really cool.
Your first G-Wagon was cool.
Thank you again.
This one's really cool.
I couldn't be happier. When you guys want to pull it out for me?
Yeah, sure.
You guys, thank you so much.
No problem.
That is just absolutely incredible.